We have 2 thumbs up. That means drivers hands off the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we are off for qualification match number 62 here on Jones Field number 2. Going from the far launch zone for the Blue Alliance is Robotic Rodents, joined by their teammate, Arc Thunder, who is coming from close as they cycle through that ramp to collect these artifacts and launch them right back where they came from. Over on the red side, the same was being done by Radioactivity as we conclude. Only one team earning lead points as we enter the driver-operated period of the match. We have a blue lead by about 40 points here as we are off. Continuing their thing up in the near launch zone is Arc Thunder, who is being blocked only slightly by Electric Legends as they go to try to join their teammate. Radioactivity, who is cycling through those artifacts on the red side of the near launch zone. Arc Thunder seems to have gotten those artifacts going with their teammate joining them from the far launch zone as a penalty is on the field. Red Alliance is trying to pick up those artifacts to narrow that lead of the Blue Alliance with the time they have left. That will be Electric Legends going up and shooting for three makes, but being rivaled by Robotic Rodents on the far side. Robotic Rodents continuing from that far launch zone as Radioactivity comes up for the Red Alliance to fill up that ramp for the Red Alliance, which is emptied with haste as we are nearing the final 30 seconds. Honan and their aim having a little bit of a problem in the back is Robotic Rodents, but they are being boxed out by Electric Legends, who is now going for some shots of their own, making 1 for 3 as they enter the endgame phase. It appears the red team is struggling with launching their robots off short as the Blue Alliance is preparing to park with
Scores going up on the board. The Blue Alliance take the last match. The score of 238 to 203 and 5 ranking points means significant upward motion for all teams on blue. Red Alliance with only 1 ranking point will mean stability for 11,992, but downward motion for 80.